Question 1. Probiotics are. The correct answer is option A. Live microbial food supplement. Question 2. Annual migration does not occur in the case of. The correct answer is option D. Salamander. Question 3. Reticulate venation is the feature of dicots, but some monocots also exhibit this venation, like. The correct answer is option B. Smilax. Question 4. The kidneys not only remove the waste products from the blood but also play a very important role in maintaining. The correct answer is option C. Constant composition of the blood irrespective of the nature of the food or fluid intake. Question 5. Phototropic curvature is the result of uneven distribution of. The correct answer is option A. Auxin. Kindly subscribe for more biology content. Thank you.